Welcome back to vegetable and plant names in Spanish. Alright, if you see one of these guys in your garden, this is a araña. Spider araña. Araña. Be careful, they do bite. And here we've got some spinach growing. Spinach in Spanish we say espinaca. Espinaca. Okay, spinach is espinaca. Espinaca. This is a tomato plant. Planta de tomate. So tomato in Spanish we say tomate. 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 This is a pepper plant. Hot pepper, we can say ají. Ají. And we also have here some jalapenos. Jalapenos. The jalapeno pepper. Jalapeno. You might have some aloe vera growing in your garden. Aloe vera, we say Sábila. Sábila. Sábila.